Do you know about the 8 minutes rule in friendship? This theory suggests that 8 minutes of focused attention or a phone call from a friend is enough to help someone feel supported and less lonely during their stressful times. It's not about solving problems, but about providing immediate and brief emotional connection. If any one of your friends uses the phrase, "Do you have 8 minutes?" this is like a direct signal that they need an emotional support. The goal is not to fix the issue, but to ensure the person feels heard and supported, which can help them feel better and less alone. Remember, make sure you put a smile on someone who has gone through a lot.